I want to find the points of intersection of the graphs of the equations. So the first one is r equals 1 plus cosine theta and r equals 1 minus cosine theta. So this one, I'm going to set both equal to each other since they're both equal to r. So I'm going to get 2 cosine theta is 0, which means theta has to be pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. And let's see, if I have theta as pi over 2, I can plug it into any one I want, so I'll plug it into the first one. Cosine of pi over 2 is 0, and so is cosine of 3 pi over 2. So that's just going to be 1 then for r. Okay, now there's also another one that we have to consider. So if r is 0, well, when is r equal to 0? That is when 1 plus cosine theta equals 0. So in other words, cosine is negative 1, which is pi. Similarly, 1 minus cosine theta has to be 0. That means cosine is 1, which is 0. Cosine is 1. So let's say if I was to graph these, so this would be 0 comma pi and 0 comma 0. So if I'm graphing these in polar, radius of 0, no matter what angle you have, is always going to be 0, 0. Like that's always going to be the point. So they're both going to have another intersection at 0 comma 0. Let's look at a different example. Now we have r equals 1 plus cosine theta and r equals 1 minus sine theta. So we should still set them equal to each other. The ones are going to cancel. Maybe cosine is equal to negative sine. So think of this like, if I were to take the absolute value, when is cosine equal to sine? Well, if you look at the unit circle, that only happens at pi over 4. So here is just when they're both positive. If I were to take just the absolute value, by the way, 3 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, I'm sorry, 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Okay, so here they have opposite signs. So the first quadrant, they're both positive. Second quadrant, it's negative, positive. Third quadrant, they're both negative. And the fourth quadrant, positive, negative. So the ones that they have opposite signs is the second and fourth. So theta would have to be 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. In order to find the y value, I'm going to plug it into the first equation, even though it doesn't really matter which one you plug in. So cosine of 3 pi over 4 is negative root 2 over 2. So that would be the first one. And if I plug 7 pi over 4, that will be positive root 2 over 2. So it'll be 1 plus positive root 2 over 2. And that's 7 pi over 4. Now we should also test another point. That was the 0, 0 condition. So is 1 plus cosine equal to 0 ever? Same thing with 1 minus sine. The answer is yes. So they do share the same point, 0 comma 0. And I should make a comment that if you want, you could simplify these points as 2 minus root 2 over 2, comma 3 pi over 4, and 2 comma root 2 over 2, 7 pi over 4. So that along with 0 comma 0 are the points of intersection.